Measuring for a zero clearance reface. To aid in the process of measuring for your reface door, we recommend using the ZC Reface Measuring Guide in the front of our order books or on our website. Note the requested measurements on the measuring guide and list all necessary information related to your firebox. Installing the ZC Reface. Once the door has arrived, remove the shipping straps. And gently lift the door from the packaging as shown. Remove the nylon nut from the shipping screws of the door hinges and place the doors to the side. Place the provided magnets along the back of the main frame as shown, ensuring the position of the magnets aligns with flat metal surfaces on the face of the firebox. Place the main frame onto the face of the firebox and adjust the position as needed for proper alignment. Remove the shipping bolts from the glass door hinges and replace them with the provided color-matching pins. Place the doors on the hinges as shown. Thank you for taking the time to watch our zero clearance reface measurement and installation guide. If you have any questions or experience any difficulties during the installation process, our customer service team is available to guide you through this process and answer any questions you may have.